Hey everybody, Tom Chantal. Welcome to Tom's Trading Room. It is Wednesday night, October 4th, 2017. I'm going to take you through this in just a few minutes and show you what it is I'm looking at for the markets for the upcoming week. So let's pop on over to our charts. And I'm actually going to take this big chart and I want to bring this down a little bit and show you what I'm looking at. Stocks, bonds, currencies, commodities. Stocks, we're looking at the SPY. That is the ETF for the S&P. This thing has been on fire. In fact, we got another green signal today, and you can see how that has just propelled up into the close of today. But when you look at the others, let me show you the others. So FXE, really kind of trading in a range, as you see here. Same thing with TBT, the bonds. Now, TBT, I like to see TBT move higher because it just strengthens the equity markets even much more. Now, finally, we also got a short signal for today on USO. That's basically crude oil. And if you took a look at crude today, then you'll see that around 10 o'clock, we had the reports, the inventory reports came out. Boom, up. We hit an area of resistance up here, pretty much a double top. And then after a few minutes of trading sideways, down and down she went. So got that bearish signal there. This is not exactly bearish for the stocks or bullish for stocks. The only way this becomes a problem for the stock market is if it goes too high, meaning that inflation comes in check for energy prices, or if it becomes too low, which means that we're not pumping enough and therefore the economy is lagging. This isn't causing anything right now when it comes to the health of the equity markets. Now, check this out. Take a look here. We're at tomsoptiontools.com. I want to take you to Darknet for a moment. Now, Darknet is our channel indicator or channel system. We had a lot of Darknet stocks coming up as buys. Let me show you what we're really getting. If you don't see this, I'm going to spell it out for you. Silver, precious metals, silver, Canadian property, silver. We've got a lot of silver and precious metals that are becoming buys right now in Darknet. So I'm expecting we're going to see the silver and gold markets get a bit of a rebound because we have been short in bearish gold for the last couple weeks. We may have seen a bottom in gold here, maybe if not for the short term, possibly for the rest of the year. Down at the bottom here, if you can see this down at the bottom, we've got a lot of our stops on Darknet signals. Green means good. That means that these actually became winners. And as you can see across the board, 3, 6, 9, 12, 13 winners, one loser over here in the corner. Darknet has been performing extremely well for the last few weeks. Also, and finally, let's go to Money Calendar. So the Money Calendar, this is the Money Calendar for October. This is why I'm so bullish on this market. There are a few times each year where it makes sense to load up on bulls. Guess what? October is one of those times. Now, the fact that we actually had a September that wasn't that bad, I think even makes October more of a compelling reason, and that's where I'm going to be leaning on bullish trades as we go forward. Week after week after week, I'm seeing more green on the screen than I am red, which means that we're seeing a lot of patterns that tend to move higher with at least 10 years of back data. Two things, guys. If you're interested in a free trial, if you've never tried this before, you can get all of our tools on a 7-day free trial. TomsOptionTools.com. Second thing I want to tell you, tomorrow night I start the fall presentation of our Trading Essentials webinars. This is a multi-week webinar where we're going to talk about calls, puts, spreads, and also the butterfly strategy. You don't want to miss it. There's a link attached to the email that this video is on. Have a great night. I'll see you soon.